Hi, this is Chesapeake Metalworks, and today we'll be dyeing my leather seats. I got this leather dye from Seat Doctors, and despite the label saying Dakota Beige, it is Dakota Gray. I talked to Andy over there, and he assured me everything's fine. I didn't realize the bottle is actually transparent, so if it's gray in the bottle and it matches the seat, it's all good. The first thing we're going to do is use a leather cleaner on the seat itself. You can see here the wear in the seat, and I have already cleaned the seat a couple times, so I don't have to do a super thorough job. Make sure we get any surface dirt off of it as much as possible, because that will keep the dye from being able to do its job. So we need to make sure that seat is dry. To apply the leather dye is a pretty easy process. You can either use foam brushes like this set here, or you can use a microfiber towel and wipe it on. So with the foam brush, you dab it on. With the microfiber, you just kind of wipe it on, and that's the way I'll be doing it. And you should wear gloves because this stuff makes a mess. So first thing to do is shake the dye to make sure anything didn't fall out of solution, so it's a nice even color match. Alright, then I'm simply going to open it, and what I'll try to do here is, so you can see that section of seat. Alright, we're going to take our microfiber, we're going to simply dab the leather dye into it. So you can see right there, we got some fresh dye. And now we're going to go to the seat. We're just going to wipe it on like that. So you can start to see where I'm dyeing the seat. And I'm not sure if this is just a very dirty seat or if the dye is just a slightly different match, but I did the other side, at least with one coat, and it seems to match pretty well. So I do think the seat itself is just a little bit, it's got a lot of dirt in it and everything that I haven't been able to clean out, and then it's also worn. So you do this a few times until it's a nice even color. You kind of wipe it in, and you wait 20 minutes between coats. And then after you're done, you have to give it about 48 hours for it to dry. I'm going to continue the rest of the seat and then come back when it's all done. I'll show you the final product, but it will look much nicer than it used to. Also, it should be hopefully fairly obvious, but don't get the dye on anything you don't want to be dyed. So be careful with your plastic trim, be careful with your seat belt. It's probably best to do this with the seat outside of the car, but I didn't have the dye at that time. This is after about one coat has dried. It's not perfect, but it looks a whole lot better than it used to. I did both sides, so you can see the other side over there, hopefully. And the color is actually pretty even. I didn't get it, again, 100% perfect, so it could be a little bit better, but overall, I'm quite happy with it. So this is what the seats look like after using the Seat Doctors seat dye online. And I'm not sponsored by them, just I happened to find them there. Their product was a good price. So, there we are.